Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Amazon order ID and the purchase date so you know you qualify for a return. Once done, verify the return window and whether the seller accepts replacements versus refunds. That determines your next step. You should gather the watch, charger, original box, and any accessories now to speed the process. Then open your Amazon account, go to Orders, and select the device. This begins the official replacement workflow and preserves warranty details. You choose Return or Replace items under the specific order and pick Replacement. This triggers the seller or Amazon to approve a swap without waiting for a full refund. Make sure to enter the watch serial or describe the defect clearly so they route the correct model. This avoids shipping the wrong unit. Once approved, follow prompts to print a prepaid label or schedule pickup. If you ship, pack securely and include any required RMA paperwork to speed processing and shipment of your new watch. You receive the replacement and test it right away. Pair, charge, and confirm features work so any issues are documented within the return window. If the replacement is denied or wrong, escalate by contacting seller support or Amazon customer service and request a refund or expedited correct unit. Make sure to cite your order ID and evidence. Keep photos, tracking numbers, and messages as proof. If pairing problems persist, power cycle both devices and reset Bluetooth settings before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.